Some people start YouTube channel, and if they will not grow on YouTube, they will quit. Consistency is very important on YouTube channel. If you will post every day video on YouTube, you will go always rich and grow on YouTube channel. So always start, be positive, and learn from others. Before the starting YouTube channel, basic knowledge is very important to start YouTube channel. How to make a video, how to create a thumbnail, how to use Canva, how to use VN app editor use. If you create more videos on YouTube, you will go rich, and you will gain more connectivity from more audience. So always start English channel. If you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, you can learn from YouTube, so because they will support how to start YouTube channel and how to create videos and how to make thumbnails, how to edit videos, best video in the world. You can learn from Mr. Beast. They have started our YouTube channel last 10 years, and they will grow in YouTube channel. This is the best and top creator, top number one creator on YouTube channel, and you can learn from this. If you learn from two others, you will go always rich, and you will go rich, and this is the very best for you. So thank you so much.